Randy, you've been at that weather center all morning long, going from the green screen to here to there. Where's the radar at right now?
So we are looking at intense downpours rolling right through the 275 loop, up and through portions of Warren and Clinton counties, and an additional cluster of storms that right now is moving through Mason and Robertson counties in Kentucky. And there are some severe thunderstorm warnings just outside of our area. So as we take a look here at the radar, we took a look at areas to the south. There actually did include portions of Mason County in this latest severe thunderstorm warning. So I'm going to zoom in on that here, take off the time lapse, and you can see we do have one severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Mason County in Kentucky. This is for the potential for some very strong winds here. You actually saw, if you look at the radar, you can almost see that bow there with the intense winds on that leading edge of this thing as it makes its way through. Generally south of our area for the heaviest stuff down toward Ewing and Flemingsburg. But again, if you are in portions of Mason County, Kentucky, you are under this severe thunderstorm warning here that goes until 6:30 in the morning. So this is for southern portions of Mason County, though you'll notice the worst of the storm has actually already passed you by. So you'll probably get dropped out of this here relatively quickly. All right, as we take a look at the rest of the picture here, the big view, we have heavy rain rolling through downtown Cincinnati and northern Kentucky and areas along and now southeast of I-71 corridor. Here's the 275 loop, and you can see we have rain in through downtown, east or west over toward Delhi, and then right over top of CVG right now. It is pouring. As we go to the east here, Sims Township to Loveland and Goshen, seeing a heavier batch of rain and a lot of lightning as we extend a little further north along this line up toward areas like Wilmington. As we take a peek at what this storm is made of, well, let's take a look here to the south. You can see we have intense rain making its way in through Florence, in toward Union, so that 71-75 corridor about to have that intense rain move by. We've also seen some pea-sized hail with this system. The hail tracker shows a decent swath that went from Middletown in through Waynesville, areas north of Wilmington. So torrential downpours, strong winds, potential for pea-sized hail. And I want to give you the storm track here as this northern stretch makes its way to the east of I-71. It's rolling into Midland here in the next minute or two. If you are in New Vienna, just before 6 a.m. Is when that line gets to you. Let's go into Kentucky with this, and you can see northern Kentucky also seeing that intense rain right over top of the airport. So the storm track on that batch of heavy rain and gusty winds headed toward northern Kentucky University here in the next couple of minutes. Areas near Riverbend at about 5:50 a.m. and in Anderson by about 5:54. So within the next 10 minutes, this thing is going to go from 71-75 over toward Anderson Township. So this one is very quick moving this morning. This that is passing through us right now is the cold front itself. Back behind it, it turns cold in a hurry. It's been a very warm morning for us so far. You can see that transition line from rain to snow just outside of Indy. And as far as the temperatures go, check out over the last hour or so, that cold air, it's headed our way, and you're going to notice it here in the next few hours. In fact, if we zoom in on our temperatures right now, we're already starting to see some of those temperatures drop. Batesville, you've dropped almost 10 degrees in the last hour or so. Downtown Cincinnati still close to 70 degrees, but now that that front is coming through, you're going to notice that number drop off very quickly here in the next couple of hours. And our sustained winds still 10 to 20 miles an hour. We have had gusts in the 40-mile-an-hour range so far this morning. All right, let's take a look at the Futurecast. Has a good track of that rain, that cold front itself coming through the area right now. And by the time we get to about 7 a.m., it should be clear to our south and east. Now, there will still be rounds of rain. There may even be a little bit of lightning, but in general, our severe weather threat goes down after that front passes. And for most of us, that's by the time we get to about 6 or 7 a.m. Mid-morning, there will still be the chance for a little bit of rain, and yes, maybe a flurry flying even before we hit noon, which sounds insane when you look at the temperature at the bottom of your screen and it says 70 degrees. But by lunchtime, our temperatures will have dropped 30 degrees. We will be in the 30s, and we're going to be there for the rest of the day. So it is a drastic drop coming our way. Right now, 63 with rain, 28-mile-an-hour sustained winds, gusts to 41, and that number is going to drop off to the 30s by the time we hit noon today. So today, obviously a weather impact day. Temperatures tanking in the next several hours. We drop all the way down to 19 by tomorrow morning. The good news is once we get past this morning, things quiet down, and really the rest of the 7-day forecast shows minimal, if any, significant rain chances.